Fitting generally available standard tape solar inserts is straightforward, but more complex and time-consuming than our unique and patented rigid solar insert. You'll need a set of steps, scissors, a Stanley knife, screwdriver, silicone sealant, breather tape, our standard tape inserts, inserting rods, hole punch and silicone spray. Once the steps are stable and you're comfortable, remove the glazing bar end caps, the panel end capping and any breather tape. For rectangular panels, measure the length and add 15 centimeters to cater for any tearing in the cavity, so it can be removed and reinserted. The ends will need to be cut at an angle to fit the panel shape. Lubricate the cavities with silicone spray. The tape is punched at the end, the rod inserted in the hole and aligned with the tape. The insert is then fed and pushed to the end of the cavity with the rod. The hole may split on longer lengths, so time and care must be taken to avoid the need to remove and reinsert. Repeat until the panel is completed, then trim the overlap, replace the breather tape, seal and refit the end capping. Repeat the process for all panels. A typical conservatory should take up to a day to complete.